Hey guys, this is Maria from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I will show you how to use Instagram's sensitive content control feature. There is a new feature on Instagram called sensitive content control that lets users decide how much sensitive content they want to see on their explore page. Follow these steps and you will figure out how you can use it. Go to your Instagram profile tab and press on the three lines icon in the top right corner. Hit Settings. Click on the Account section. After that, find the Sensitive Content Control option and tap it. Now you need to select whether you want to keep the setting at its default state. It is to limit some posts that might be offensive or upsetting, to see fewer sensitive content, or to see more. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to use Instagram's sensitive content control feature. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.